Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to write the program for Codey Rocky. First of all, you need to download the software, Makeblock 5 on your computer. Open the software and add the emotion blocks. Then let's start coding Codey Rocky. From the story, we can tell that there are 3 parts. 1. Into the adventure world. 2. A new friend. 3. Find the exit. Let's take a look at how the program should look like in the first part, into the adventure world. When Codey Rocky falls over, it will feel a little bit dizzy. We need to use the block when a button pressed as an event to awake Codey Rocky. After Codey wakes up, it will look around, then it will move forward and look left. And suddenly turns left. Waits 1 second and turns right. Then stops. Repeat the piece of code twice, following with a shiver. What are the programs in the second part composed of? Let's move on. We should use when a button be pressed block to run the program. Codey Rocky starts sprinting. It turns right and moves forward. Then turns right suddenly, startled by something. After waiting a few seconds, it feels embarrassed. Uh-oh. Afterwards, it says hello to the panda and waits a moment. It keeps moving forward wearing a smile. In the third part, find the exit. How should the program look like? Here we go. We place the block when button C pressed here as an event. Codey Rocky looks left and right and turns left with a naughty smile. Then it moves forward and exclaims.
Everybody, let's give it a try.